morning everyone. Right now it is Saturday and I have done certain mods on my bike. I would be showing it and a walk around of the bike on the modifications that I have done. I've also made a custom made sprocket that would be a 47 teeth. It is being ordered from Race Customs from Chennai, so it would be delayed, but I have a laser cutting video where I have engraved my name on it.
Shooting stars didn't even get to cross.
So hopefully I should get it in April. So once I get that, I'll be installing that. So many people are trying to make changes on the bike with the front sprocket. I recommend not to do that. It's better to change the rear sprocket than the front one. You would get the initial speed with the 47 teeth. So Tanay, Avan and Aniket are gonna meet me at Kharghar. It's around 7:09. I need to reach there by 7:15. As you can see, the roads are empty. So it's a beautiful Saturday morning. It is not too hot, not too cold. So it's a new trail that we would be trying today. So people who have said earlier that this bike is not good for off-road are wrong. I will be sharing the videos where I have done the off-road on this, and you can check out my previous video where I have done off-road on my Impulse. So I have a Hero Impulse along with Adventure 390. So Adventure 390 has all its features that I used to miss on my Hero Impulse. So let's reach Kharghar as soon as possible, as they would be waiting for me. New trail for us. अबे तेरी एक्सरसाइज हो रहा है, मसाज हो रहा है. बॉडी के हर पुर्जे हिल चुके हैं इस ऑफ रोड ट्रेल पे. राइड गलत रास्ता आ गया मैं. It's a new trail for me, so I'll be riding a bit slow but with full power. You should know your brakes and also the clutch and the accelerator, how much you need to give, when to give, and when to apply brakes.
stars. Didn't even get to cross.
The performance of Adventure 390 is good. I am loving it. So every time the engine is shut, you need to off the traction control. Finally. Come on, Munne. नहीं भाई इतना ही ठीक है.
डेंजरस है भाई.
I just had a fall. मजा आ गया। ओए तेरी then I had a fall. Chalo, let's leave. मज़ा आ रहा है आज तो। प्रॉपर ऑफ रोडिंग ऑन एडवेंचर 390। ऑफ रोडिंग इज डन। अभी घर पे जाने का टाइम आ गया है। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 9:31 इन खारघर राइट नाउ। It would take approximately 20 minutes for me to reach home. So once I reach home, I will do a walk around of the bike and show the modification and along with the fall that I had.
Even get to cross. I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
So I have reached home, ending this video here. Do subscribe and like, and if you like the video, do share it. Thank you. Bye bye.